Welcome back to SP Explores Life. Today I'm sharing 10 simple lifestyle habits that make traveling so much easier. These habits save time, reduce stress, and let you enjoy your journey to the fullest. 1. Pack light and smart luggage. 2. Keep a travel size essentials kit sparkles. 3. Stay hydrated droplet. 4. Use digital checklists. 5. Plan flexible routines alarm clock. 6. Prioritize sleeping. 7. Keep daily walking, exercise pedestrian. 8. Learn basic local phrases speaking head. 9. Save offline maps round pushpin. 10. Keep a positive mindset globe. Which of these habits do you already follow? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more lifestyle and travel inspiration. Thanks for watching SP Explores Life. See you in the next adventure.